All right, good morning, crew. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but we're here at the job site, about to prep to pour another patio. Got this machine right here, and actually rented it. Looking to buy one, so I figured before I buy one, I would go ahead and rent it. I'm sure everybody sees these. I figure on Facebook Marketplace, then you see these all the time. For the work that I do, I know a lot of people say it's probably not worth it, but like I said, the jobs I do are a lot smaller, and I do them by myself. So as long as this can create a patio, then that's really all I need it for. So I don't need nothing special. But this is the 26 horsepower. I know the 13 horsepower gets a lot of hate. They say it's not worth it. I've never heard too much bad things about the 26. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and try this out today. But we're here, so I'm gonna walk to the back and I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with. So this is the area we're adding the patio to. From this flag, it comes 11 foot off the existing patio, and we're coming 20 feet this way. So I think it comes like 5 feet past where this patio exists. This is a subdivision. I had a couple of videos back that it's not the same neighborhood, but it's the same builder. So I guess to keep the home warranty, you can't obviously tap into the existing foundation. So this will not be attached. I know I would like to attach it, but again, because of home warranties, they're not allowing it. So it's going to be a freestanding pad, just buttered up with some felt between the two for movement. But yeah, that's what we're working with. I'm gonna go ahead and get the machine unloaded and go ahead and start getting this dug out. We're supposed to be pouring tomorrow, so I got a lot of work to do in the meantime. So I'll probably put my head cam on for a little bit and do some time lapses here and there, but for the most part, I'm just gonna get to work and get this dug out. So see you guys here in a little bit. My GoPro is either broke or it just won't charge. I've had it on the charger pretty much this whole morning, but if it's super dead, then I guess it needs more charging. I don't know if my truck is powerful enough to charge it anyway, but I threw it back on the charger. I don't have a GoPro right now. I don't know if I will today, but I'll get this unloaded, and then like I said, I'll set up a time lapse on my phone so we can get some sort of footage. So sorry about that. Tomorrow, hopefully when we pour, I get that figured out, that we can have some point of view angles of the pour. So just wanted to update you guys on that. Here's a little update. Got it all dug out. Starting to get it graded. Got this outside form set. Got all the dirt spread throughout the yard. That's what the customer and I agreed to. So like I said, got this form up. And yeah, so we're starting to get it graded. A little bit of rock thrown in. So, I got it formed up. So now we're about to start getting rock in here so I can grade it. I capped off the sprinkler line. I'm gonna go ahead and backfill some of this dirt into the side right here. Just because I dug it out a little too far. That way concrete don't escape from the bottom. But like I said, I'm making progress. We're gonna have a joint down the middle. I think every 5 feet this way we'll have a joint. So alright guys, it is like almost 6 o'clock. Got the pad prepped, got my joints marked out. This is 11 foot. I'm gonna do one down the width of it, which is at 6.5 feet. And I got one every 5 feet on the length. So it's 20 foot. So we'll slice it into 1, 2, 3, 4 different sections. But I gotta get rebar tomorrow, and then we'll put that felt on the existing concrete. So yeah, not too shabby. A lot of work. But like I said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna pour it in. So like I said, I'm gonna go get some food now. Back to the video. It's the next day. Got all the tools out here unloaded, ready to go. Finna get this tamped down. Got rebar in the truck. Gonna go ahead and get that set out and tied up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set up that trash can pad over there in that corner. It's pretty small. I got concrete in 2 hours, so I got plenty of time. Just want to give you guys an update where we're at and where we're going. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this final prep work done, and I'll check back in with you guys when concrete. So concrete just put up. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on a time lapse. let's get started on this bad boy. Hey, give me one more right here. Probably like right here. That's good? Yep. Hold on, wait. All right. Give it to me. All right, you're good. right. Can you get it right here?
You want to drive in or just do it from that side?
Well, maybe go around and turn like that. I'll have to back up. That's perfect.
Sorry.
You're good. Yeah, just hold it like that and dump it. All right. We're gonna need it in the middle. I don't know if you want to maneuver how, if you want to come in and go around. It's gotta be tight though. Yeah. You alright?
Whenever you are.
Nah, just making sure you're good.
Good?
Hold on. Alright. You're good? You'll probably go on the outside and pull right there. Place is over there washing up. Got the concrete down. I don't know how much is recorded. Every time I looked at my camera or my GoPro, it was turned off or flipped up into the air. So we got it all down. That's the 11 by 20. And then just finished up this little trash can pad for 3 trash cans. This is sitting in the shade, so I'm gonna kind of just let it be. I do have 1% retarder in this concrete. So like I said, I'm gonna focus more over here where the sun's shining. But yeah, got it all down. So just getting ready for it to set up a little bit. So I can cut these joints. I'll hop on and finish it. One more update. I got this left side done onto this right side. It's been in the shade the whole time, so should be good. I was doing a little bit of scrubbing over here, but I broomed it as I went. So like I said, onto this last one. Already got that small trash can pad finished over there. So just 4 more squares and then I'm done. I'm kind of just focused on getting this taken care of. I know I'm not filming a lot of me finishing it, but I'm out here by myself, as you can see. So I still got to finish this, clean up, and then like I said, I'll show you guys. All right, so I just finished up that last square. These are already drying up, as you can tell, but got the joints cut in. 20 by 11, nice and pretty. So there you have it. It took a long time to do, but we finished it up. So now I'm cleaning up. Now I'm gonna get that backfill just a little bit, and then I'm gonna get out of here. So this is how the trash can pad turned out. It's big enough for 3 pads. I really should have put 2 joints in there, but I've been focused on that other pad. Like I said, I've been out here by myself. So regardless, like I said, it's small. Shouldn't crack, but again, it's just for trash cans. All the forms, just put sealer on it. Pretty proud of this job. This is actually my first time cutting joints like that, and it turned out really nice even squares. There's 8. So the only thing that I'm probably going to do when I come back, because I'm going to come back and put topsoil around the edges, and I'm probably going to do a 45 right off this corner, because I'm real scared it's going to crack right here, which I just didn't want to do it because it's going to make it look weird, but I'd rather do it and then not crack than not do it and it crack. So like I said, just put the sealer on it. But 5 yards of concrete between this pad and this trash can pad. Like I said, you can fit 3 trash cans on this one. So I pretty much got that one back foot already, but still gonna come put topsoil around this one. So yeah, this is definitely the biggest pad I've ever poured. Like I said, I had a guy on the buggy and then the concrete jobber throwing the mud in the buggy, but I struck off, cut the joints, finished it, and broomed it all by myself. So if you liked the video, I'm sorry for the lack of footage, but this was a big girl right here. So like I said, 5 yards of concrete is the most I've ever poured. Usually my jobs are like 2 to 3. So definitely hit a new record, a new pouring record, but it turned out nice. My wife's seen it and she said she already wants one for our house. So pretty proud of it. But appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, show your boy some love. All right, for a last update, I just came out here to power wash the pad. It's pretty much dried up now. Gonna seal it, but again, this is what we're working with. Got the joint slicing really nice. That was my first time using that tool. It's actually brand new. I usually have to put a 2x4 across and slice them in with the hand tool, but I had a joiner, got it jointed up nice and clean. Beautiful. I love the way it turned out. The customer's happy with it. So that's the end of this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Sorry for the lack of filming. Like I said, this was a big patio, 11 by 20. I did it by myself, aside from help with the buggy. Got it struck off, edge jointed, finished and broomed, you know, and obviously all the cleanup work all by myself. So very happy with this one. So yeah, if you could go ahead and give me a like, go ahead and comment if there's an opinion that you have. Like I said, this drying is from the darker colors to the lighter colors. I started over here and worked that way. That's why that side's a little bit more gray. This one dried up faster. So, but yeah, this is it. This is the 11 by 20 patio. So appreciate you guys for watching. See you in the next one.